Guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VEL Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, as you can see right now, we're going to jump right into it. I got some delicious barbecue pork chops that's going to be baked. Alright, and I already put some mustard and some Hellmann's mayonnaise on it. Okay, it was marinated for about a half an hour. And here's the Dijon mustard that I put on it, and the Hellmann's mayonnaise is done. Alright, we're going to jump into the seasoning. I have some onion powder right here. I'm going to be putting on here. We're going to season both sides. So I'm going to say it's going to be a whole teaspoon. Alright, we're just going to sprinkle some of that on there. For this recipe, you will be needing a rack, cooling rack. That's all we're doing with that. I have some adobo. I'm going to go with the garlic. Lightly season that. So remember, it's just a half, a total whole teaspoon per side. And that's for all of them. Alright, we're going to go ahead and go with this adobo. Be careful with the adobo because it got some salt to it. We already know our pork chops hold salt. We just lightly season that, okay? That's that. Then we're going to come in with some cumin, lightly seasoned. One more ingredients I forgot to get, and that's going to be cinnamon. Alright, come in with our black pepper. Wait, no, we will come in with our thyme. Good, about a teaspoon right there. So put it up in there, let it fall, spread evenly. Should be it. Alright, we're going to come in with our black pepper. The mayonnaise and the Dijon mustard are going to make a crust. That's why we have it on cooling rack, okay? So it can circulate up under there. Alright? Alright, what else we got here? We got some chili powder right here. Alright. Alright, then we're just going to turn this over. We're going to get that seasoned. Lightly seasoned. Alright, that's that. We're going to turn these bad boys over, like so. And we're going to do the same thing, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I'm going to pop these bad boys in the oven at 350 degrees for about half an hour, about 45 minutes. And I'll let you guys see that. I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. What you want to do is get you a little bowl, get you a little barbecue sauce. You want a little sweeter, put your little honey in there. A little cinnamon if you want a little cinnamon. A little smoke if you want a little smoke. To your liking. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this barbecue out, barbecue pork chops out, and see what we got. It'll be in about 45 minutes. And all we're gonna do is just baste that with some barbecue sauce. This is my own barbecue sauce I made up. I think I told you guys about that. You just want to coat it like that. Not too much, just enough. We do it like this. Alright, that's all you want to do. Since you got that side done, now you could put it back in there like this and then continue to baste the other side for about 5 or 10 minutes. So it should be roughly about 10 minutes apart. 10 minutes a piece. In all, I said 10 minutes a piece. I'm trying to rush. This stuff got to smelling good. Okay. Turn the bad boy over like that. So we're just gonna cook it for 10 minutes instead of 5 minutes aside. Alright. Just do the same procedure on each side. Delicious big barbecue pork chops. Not really big on pork or seafood stuff, but I will make it for you. Just give it to somebody. And if you guys new here, consider subscribing to the channel. Like I say, I put up 3 recipes 3 times a week, sometime more. That's all you want to do. Hit the sides, hit the bone, all that stuff. Okay? All the barbecue gone. It's about a cup and a half barbecue sauce I put on there. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take this back to the oven, let it cook, and I'll be back. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and check on this. Should be done. There it is. Delicious barbecue pork chop, baked. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like, share, and subscribe to the video. VEL Dogg be bringing you restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking.